My favorite part about the program is having you guys in the clinic at 11th Street, taking those of you who decide to go on the trip to Guatemala abroad. And I think the thing I like best about our department is the culture and having a culture of collegiality where we're not just teaching you guys to be good physical therapists, but also teaching you to be our colleagues in the future and welcoming you into the profession and really focusing on patient care and what kind of PT you're going to be as opposed to what kind of accolades or what kind of grades you get, really focusing on who you're going to be when you're a professional and preparing you for that.
I would have to say those students who are willing to take chances, those who are willing to give an answer, even if they might be wrong. I'm looking for that in students in my class because they're the ones who are going to learn from their mistakes now so that they don't make those mistakes in the future.
My experience here at qualities, I think, are found in successful Drexel DPT students. They are time management and school life balance. We're on the quota system here and things certainly do go by quickly. And so I think having the time management skills to organize your time for school and also taking time away for the rest of your life helps to maintain the motivation to succeed in our program.
The Drexel DPT program has several unique features. One of these is the fact that we have clinical faculty who are actively practicing physical therapists. We also have research faculty who are engaged in research projects. And our DPT students are taught by both of these professors. So it brings a theoretical as well as a practical edge to the classroom. I'm a practicing physical therapist, and so I can bring current practice models into the classroom. So I may see a patient in the clinic on Monday, and then I can talk about that patient in class on Wednesday. I can talk about how the patient presented, what interventions I did, and what the outcomes were. So it really brings a cutting-edge clinical perspective to our students.
Like you, I was recently looking for PT schools, but where to become a faculty member. I chose Drexel because of their commitment to innovation. Drexel PT is committed to innovation both in research and in the classroom. This commitment will help you as a student, for you won't be trained to just be a PT for today, but you will be trained with the capacity to grow and adapt as a PT for tomorrow.
I'm a true believer in that who we are surrounded with today is a reflection of who we will be in the next few years. So I wanted to make sure I was in an environment in a community where I felt supported but challenged. And from the leadership team to the faculty, to the colleagues, staff, students, I do believe that everyone here is not only supportive, but will challenge you to be the best version of yourself, both professionally and personally. So welcome, congratulations on choosing Drexel. Congratulations on choosing what I believe is the best profession in the world. Take care and be well, and see you soon.